Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the controller off and laying it face down on a clean, flat surface. Once done, remove the battery cover by sliding or pressing its latch. You'll feel it release. If you have AA cells, inspect orientation markings inside the compartment. This tells you which way to insert plus and minus. Make sure your replacement cells are fresh or fully charged. Weak batteries cause glitches. If using a rechargeable pack, disconnect it carefully from the connector before proceeding. Now you insert the batteries one at a time, aligning each cell's positive and negative ends to the molded icons in the compartment. Push them gently until they click into place. Firm contact is critical for consistent power. If you're using a rechargeable battery pack, slide it into the bay, making sure the connector aligns with the port, then press it until it sits flush. Avoid twisting or forcing parts. If something resists, back up and check orientation. Once seated, you're ready to close the cover. Finish by sliding the battery cover back on until it snaps securely. A loose cover can interrupt contacts. You then power the controller on and confirm a solid LED or connection to your console. This verifies proper installation. If the controller won't turn on, remove the cover and inspect contacts for corrosion, bent springs, or debris. Clean gently with a dry cloth and reseat batteries. If problems persist, swap in a known good set of batteries or a charged pack to isolate a faulty cell or connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.